Hi guys. Wildfire Interactive Inc. B. Case Solution and Analysis. Alan Schwa and Victoria Ransom recounted the history as founders of the Wildfire Interactive Inc. Initially called Promotion Builder, Wildfire had evolved to a multi-platform software application used by thousands of companies worldwide, from an in-house advertising option used by the couple's adventure travel business. The Wildfire merchandise empowered these customers to come up with customized social media marketing efforts composed of essay and video competitions, user-created quizzes, contests, and coupons. Thanks for watching this video.